Hello, this is Emil. I am the creator of the Emil lipsync app, and I will be showing you how to use it and how to create your own lipsync VTuber avatar to use into OBS. So here I'm currently using it in OBS right now. You can see it's just basically screen capture of the game capture. And in the properties, you can just choose the right window, Emil lipsync app. So this is very simple to set up, but you still need to set up the application. So first off, I'll be showing some of the features and how you can create quickly an avatar using Krita, or you can do it with basically any other application. So first off, you'll have buttons to remember. You can change the microphone by pressing on the M button. You can change some settings, pressing the S button, it will pop this up. You'll have the wizard, we're gonna go back on this. And then after that, you can load more avatars with the L button, and you can just click on load. And it's gonna take a little second. And yeah, it just loads your avatar. And you can have 15 of them here, and yeah, so you can always add more. So I'll be showing you how to create one now. So first off, what you'll need to do is to go onto internet and go onto this web page here. This is the lipsync documentation of the over lipsync visment. So I'm using this to replicate at best the mouth shape to vowel, so that the microphone can know what is the approximate shape of your mouth based on your voice. So here you got all of them, and so you'll come into Krita, you'll do a new project. 2K or 4K is fine. I prefer to say 2K is the best. 1K, I mean, you can still go 1K because this is obviously 600 by 600 window. So what 1K is the minimum, then 2K is good. 4K is like, it's gonna take a while to load for nothing. So 2048 by 2048, it must be a square image. So you just create a new one. You give it a second. So here you got the image. So first off, you need to do a background, and everything you're gonna do, you must make sure there is no capital letters. So first off, you got background here like this, and the words are case sensitive. They must be exactly the right word. So no space, no nothing, just exactly the word. So he bought background, and let's see, we could do like a tree very quickly. Arc. Alright, oh, this is gonna be a horrible tree. But this is just basically to show how you can just create something pretty alright. Let's see, let's just put some green. I got a brush for that. Yeah. See that here? Oh yes, beautiful. Let's do some of that here. So here basically I got this. Make sure that the background is not transparent, because else it's just gonna have like that bluish weird tone in the background, which is like the base color of the application. So just make sure to actually put some color. So first off, what you'll want is to create a body. So let's do black. Let's do something very simple, very quick. Yes, I have horrible skills. This is basically it. Let's set some red in here. Those are gonna be angry horns. Just take my stylus. And then after you did the body, no capital letters, you can add one, which is going to be the face, right? If you're not sure, there is going to be other files. You can just check at them. So here there is a body face. So here I'm just gonna create, because yeah, I did another one and I realized my microphone wasn't on. So I just gotta redo it. So let me just do some eyes. Yeah, let me do that. Do the black. Okay, and let's just disable this and do a little nose here like that, kinda. And after that, you just take this, you duplicate it, and this is gonna be face close. Okay, right. There's face close. Face close is basically the eye closed. So here I can just hide this, like that. And I like to just do basic close eye like that, you know. So it just looks good, you know. Let me add some, let me do the base body just black. No, I cannot just do it black, can I? Let me do it, add car. Please don't judge too much. I used to only draw stick figures, so this is already big improvements here. Oh, the face. Okay, that's horrible, but it's gonna do the trick. So after that, you just start doing all the faces. So basically, here first you got Sil. You should bring out that page. It's gonna help you put down. So here you got Sil, which is basically just neutral face. The face here. Take out the black and just do no motion, no nothing, and try to always do it at the same place. After that, here you got the PP. No, never capital letters, okay? A bit different. PP is very similar to silence, but it's not exactly the same. And here you start doing your actual open mouse. And you just do them all. But let me actually add some teeth. I didn't have much open before. KK CH. Like that. And you don't actually need to do them all because you can just merge a couple of them. There is multiple syllables that looks the same, so you can just do the same thing for them. You can just copy and paste them, but having multiple of them actually adds like diversity. So that's actually good. It's actually good, to have multiple of them. Okay, and once you get all of that, there's face close, and this is pretty much it. So this is really all the drawing you gotta do. After that, you can Control save it. You'll save it into your folder that you created for your avatar. You can just give your file name. So English avatar. And once you've done that, you can just go into tool script and export this, and you'll find that there is your devilish avatar crowd, and you just set where you want it to go. So just give me a second. So I want it to go there. 2K, 2K. It needs to be PNG. This is extremely important. And there you just click on OK. So it'll just create all the PNGs. So inside of devilish avatar here. And there's this feature on Krita, yes, but I know it's also on like GIMP and Photoshop. I'm not sure exactly how you're supposed to do it, but yeah, I know you can do it. I've seen it on Photoshop once. So basically, now that we got all of this, we need to create the file, because here you can see you got a 2D AVI file, and this is what is being read by the application. So you just come on here and you do settings by pressing S. Here you can see, press S, open the setting to load, open this menu. To load, I'm gonna need to change the wording here, but yeah. And here, this is the folder emplacement. So basically just go here, Control C to copy, you know, and Control V, and you do accept. And there is, oh, background. It's background. It's not background, whatever bullshit. And you'll see after that it won't work. You will still be able to do it, but there's a small bug for now, so you gotta reload the application, restart it. Add here, and you'll see it just opens up. Okay, and here you can change a couple of settings, and here you just put a name. The default there. Oh, there should be able to be spaces, I think. Yes. Time space between blinks. This is like the space between blinks, you know. I usually put 3 here, and here I put .1. I always leave small additive because it just adds a bit more life to it, a bit more random. And the shaking, I don't like. Some people like shaking, I don't really like it. So the settings are there, but I don't touch them. And then you can just click on finished. And you see here now, you'll see avatar data coming up. You can change every data here, but they're not clearly stated. I still have because this is probably still gonna change, but it's gonna be all right. And here you got the devil.2d AVI, and frankly, all what this is an archive. So you can see inside of it there is all the images and the file. It's just easier to move and smaller in size. So yeah. After that, if you want to load it, you press L, you do add new, and you find it. And you press on load, and it loads. And here you have your whole new little avatar talking and blinking. And I mean, it looks horrible because I did it, but this is still what it is, yeah. After that, so when you installed it, installed it. All you get is basically a folder, and then after that you do yourself. Just take this, and with Alt you create the link to the desk, and basically here you will see managed avatar, and in there's all the avatars. So there's the avatars. You must never do 2 avatars with the exact same name, and I mean, this is pretty much the only restriction, I think. So, and if you want to change it a bit, you can do so here. So, I mean, if you can change all the file data, you can change the images, and once you reload it here, you will see the change. You still need to, you go here, L, and you load the avatar. But, yeah, don't do what I just did. That's gonna, yeah. But yeah, basically you can all have your avatars here and choose them. It will also always load by default like the last avatar opened. So here you see I close it, I open it back, and it's just gonna load it. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for trying out my vtubing application. I'm still gonna do more updates on it, so they're all gonna be on the Gumroad. Thank you.